How to install our weatherproof pillar TV mount. Apply the adhesive pads to the back of the mount plate, wrapping them around the rounded interior edges to cover all areas that will contact the pole. Attach the mount arm to the mount plate using the provided nuts and tighten securely with the wrench. Open the ratchet straps by pulling the latch upward toward the handle to release and open the buckle. Hold the mount against the pole, use the bubble level to check the alignment, passing the loose end through the mount bracket as shown, and wrap the ratchet straps around the pole. Insert the loose end of the ratchet straps through the opening on the ratchet buckle. Thread the strap through the center of the buckle and pull it out the opposite side. Tighten the strap by moving the ratchet handle back and forth repeatedly until the mount is securely fastened to the pole. Ensure the straps are fully tightened and the mount is secure before proceeding to the next step. Select the appropriate size, mounting bolts and washers for your display's mounting holes and verify the length of the VESA bolt is not too long. Attach the VESA brackets using the selected bolts and washers, then tighten until secure. Carefully lift and hang the TV onto the horizontal bars of the mount arm. Flip the security latches on the VESA brackets upward to lock the brackets into place. Install and tighten the security bolts to fully secure the TV to the mount. After the TV is installed, check the strap tightness and tighten more if needed. Route the cables along the underside of the mount arm and secure them in place using the cable management clips to keep them organized and out of the way. If necessary, adjust the screen by loosening or tightening the 4 bolts on the back of the VESA brackets using the wrench to level the screen. The tilt tension can be adjusted by loosening or tightening the side knob using the hex wrench.